Dragon Masters, we are finishing chapter 2. Drake peered inside. A green stone as big as his head glittered in the light. "This dragon stone told me you have the heart of a dragon," said the wizard. He tapped Drake's chest. Uh, uh, it did?" Drake asked. His eyes got big. "Yes, and those with the heart of a dragon become dragon masters for King Roland." Drake had heard stories about the magical dragonstone, but he never believed they were real. Now all these questions came spilling out. "How does the dragonstone know I have a heart of a dragon? And how did you find me? And what's a dragon master? And why does King Roland want dragon masters?" "The stone is very old and mysterious," Griffith said. "Even I do not fully understand its magic. A dragon master is able to connect with dragons. As for the king, he is very fond of dragons, but he cannot control them." "So Vulcan isn't the only dragon?" Drake asked. The wizard grinned. "No, he is not." He handed Drake a green stone on a gold chain. "This is a piece of the dragonstone," he said. "It will help you connect with your dragon." Drake's heart jumped. "My dragon? I get a dragon?" he thought. He slipped the stone into his pocket. "Be careful, Drake," the wizard warned. "Dragons are dangerous, and even the dragon stone can't even protect you from their powers." "What powers?" Drake asked. The wizard led him away without another word. Chapter 3. More Dragons. Drake's mind was spinning as he left the wizard's shop. He followed Griffith to a big underground room. There were no windows, torches hung on the wall. Drake saw Rory and Vulcan. He also saw 2 more kids and 2 more dragons. "Drake, this is Bo," Griffith said, pointing to a boy with black hair. "And his dragon, Shu." Bo was petting his dragon's tail. This dragon had shiny blue scales, but no wings. "Hi," Drake said. "Nice to meet you," the boy said politely. Griffith led Drake over to a girl with long black hair. Her dragon had white scales. A yellow band of scales circled the dragon's neck. The tip of its wings were yellow, too. "This is Anna and her dragon, Kepri," Griffith said. Drake nodded. "Hi," he said. "We can use somebody new around here," said Anna with a grin. "You have met the other dragon masters and their dragons. It is time for you to meet your dragon," Griffith said. Drake's heart pounded. His family will never believe this, he thought. "Just this morning I was digging onions. Now I have ridden a horse. I've met a wizard. I've seen the dragonstone. And I am going to have my very own dragon." He and the other dragon masters followed Griffith down another dark hallway. "The dragon sleeps in caves when they're not training. Vulcan's cave is the biggest." Griffith stopped in front of a small cave. Wood bars covered the cave. "Drake, meet your dragon," the wizard said. We're going to stop there. Next week, chapter 4, we'll learn new things about the dragon and meet the dragon.